In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a list of child pages in Confluence using the children display macro. We'll start on the Confluence page where you want the list to appear. This can be a team homepage, a project overview, or anywhere you want readers to quickly navigate to related content. Once you're there, click Edit to open the page in the editor. If you don't see the Edit button, you may need page editing permissions from your Confluence administrator. Inside the editor, we'll add the macro that builds the list for you. Type a forward slash and start typing children, or simply type children. You can also search for the children display macro from the macro browser if you prefer to browse. Macros in Confluence are dynamic building blocks, and this one is designed specifically to show a page's child pages in a clean, organized list. Select the children display macro to insert it into the page. As soon as it's placed, you'll see configuration options so you can control exactly what shows up. First, choose the parent page whose child pages you want to list. If you're already editing the parent page, you can keep it set to the current page. If you want to display children from a different part of your space, search for and select that page instead. Choosing the right parent is key because everything the macro shows comes from that page's hierarchy. Next, adjust the display options to match how you want the list to behave. Depth controls how many levels of the hierarchy are included, so keep it at 1 for a tidy summary or increase it if you want to expose subpages. Sorting determines the order of the list. Alphabetical is great for quick scanning, while by last modified or creation date helps when recency matters. Many setups also let you show excerpts, page metadata, or expand and collapse sections for longer lists. Think about your audience here. Concise lists are easier to navigate, while deeper trees are helpful for comprehensive documentation hubs. When you're happy with the configuration, publish the page to show the page list. After publishing, the macro renders a live view of the child pages, and it will automatically update as pages are added, renamed, or moved under the parent. If a page you expected isn't appearing, check that it's actually a child of the selected parent and that you have permission to view it. That's it. With just a few adjustments, you've built a dynamic, always current page index that makes your Confluence content easier to explore and maintain.